This how to 1 minute will show you how to get Google Chrome browser on my laptop. First of all, click on this search icon and type here Microsoft Edge and open Microsoft Edge browser, and then click on the search bar and type here Chrome download and open the first link. Click on download Chrome, and as you can see, the Chrome setup is downloading. So here is the Chrome installer. Now double click on it, and here you can see my Google Chrome is started to install, and it may take some time to properly install the Google Chrome on computer. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.